How to convert images to PDF using CamScanner. Easy WhatsApp trick. Want to turn your images into a PDF in just a few taps? Stick around because today I am showing you the easiest way using an app that could seriously save you a lot of time. Hi everyone, welcome back to How. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more quick tech tips and how-to guides. Step number 1. First, head over to the Google Play Store and download CamScanner. If you have already got it installed, you are good to go. If not, install it now. This app is a lifesaver. Step number 2. Next, open your gallery and select the images or files you want to convert into a PDF. Move them into a separate folder. This will help you stay organized. Step number 3. Now go into that folder, select the images in the order you want them in the PDF, either one by one or all at once. Then tap the share button and select CamScanner from the list. Step number 4. CamScanner will start processing the images and create a document for you. Once it's ready, just rename it to whatever you like. Step number 5. Finally, tap the share button again, choose share as PDF, then select WhatsApp. You can send the file to yourself or anyone else in seconds. And that's it, your PDF is ready to use, easy, quick and super efficient. If this helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to How and tap the bell icon so you never miss another smart tech tip.